The region of Campania, Italy, is known as the fertile countryside, loved by the ancient Romans for its lush and sweet landscape, a land where happiness is not a fantasy but a choice of life. Ugo Iemma, the illustrious forefather from Salerno, moved his company to Torre Lupara in 1945 on the slopes of the volcano of Rocca Monfina. He had a vision, happiness as the foundation between man and nature. Today, Torre Lupara is a brand that unifies the work of their three zootechnical farms, Torre Lupara, Roana and Lupara, that provide milk to the family dairy company for the production of buffalo mozzarella. Torre Lupara is a vertically integrated, controlled and eco-sustainable chain, 1,200 acres of land farmed according to the rotation method to maximize fodder cultivation for the over 3,000 Mediterranean buffalo. The land is cultivated according to the most modern agricultural systems based on a philosophy of absolute respect for the terrain. The employees of Lupara and their families live in the village of Torre Lupara, housed in the cozy villas and equipped with a school bus system for their children. The buffaloes are raised in a non-intrusive manner and semi-open barns. All things are considered because the happiness and the well-being of the buffaloes are very important to obtain the highest quality of raw material, milk. The entire production process is conducted according to a specific and coherent ethical work organization. Every phase of production, from the cultivation of forage to the packaging of finished product, is part of the project of transparency, supervision and traceability. The crops rotate cyclically, rendering fertile soil used to grow alfalfa, corn and various types of hay. The land is enriched with the waste from the buffalo. Feeding the buffalo is defined and established through modern monitoring techniques and varies according to their lactation period. The fodder blend is formulated with extreme precision. The buffalo are constantly undergoing rigorous monitoring by Lupara's veterinary team and inspections by competent official government organization. The female buffalo are milked twice a day through a patient and modern process conducted in accordance with very strict hygiene. Their udders are cleaned, dried and massaged before coming into contact with the mechanical milkers. In the Torre Lupara production plant, there is a synergy between ancient cheese-making traditions and modern cutting-edge technologies. The cheese factory works exclusively with Lupara's own buffalo milk, which is designated as Denomination of Protected Origin by the European Union. After the pasteurization process, a small quantity of whey protein is added to the milk, which triggers the acidification process and development of natural rennet. After 4 or 5 hours, the resulting curd is worked by stretching and mixing in 200-degree hot water. It is then ready to be formed into mozzarella via a process which can be done either by hand or by machine. The balls are cut and formed and immediately immersed in cold water. This is followed by the salting process, in which the mozzarella passes through salted water. The buffalo mozzarella is packaged, marketed and branded as a fresh or frozen product. Lupara has perfected the freezing process for buffalo mozzarella. It is the same mozzarella, the same quality, the same production process and then frozen. Now it can be palletized, stored and exported with a shelf life of 2 years. Thanks to this skill and technology, the whole world can discover and enjoy the unique and unmistakable taste of the best buffalo mozzarella from Campania, Torre Lupara Buffalo Mozzarella.